Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make roasted salad. I have few vegetables here. So carrots, you can add whatever vegetable you like. Beetroots, tomatoes, eggplant, celery, bell pepper, broccoli, and asparagus. So let's arrange it well. To that we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, and half a teaspoon of black sesame seed. Now we're going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get it roasted. Some onion. We're going to add salt as per taste. Sprinkle some salt. I'm going to use a teaspoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon of black pepper powder. So after 5 minutes, just mix it. Just try to let the bottom vegetable come up, and then let's cook it for another 5 minutes. Check if the vegetables are cooked. So we're going to keep it for another 7 minutes. Are cooked. Slightly crush the vegetable. Now we're going to add some sliced avocados. We're going to add half a cup of pomegranate juice. Add some fresh oregano and mix it well, and we're ready to serve it. Sprinkle some pumpkin seed, raisins, blanched almond, and cashews. Hope you like this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.